Speaking fluent English is a dream for many learners. But how can you achieve fluency? Many people think that learning difficult words or memorizing grammar rules is the key. But the real secret is something different. The real secret to speaking fluent English is practice, consistency, and confidence. In this video, we will explain step by step how you can improve your English speaking skills easily and naturally. Step 1. Change your mindset. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes when speaking English. This fear stops them from practicing. The first step to fluency is to stop worrying about mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Think of how children learn their first language. They do not worry about grammar rules, they just speak. You should do the same. Tips. Accept that making mistakes is normal. Focus on communication, not perfection. Be patient with yourself. Step 2. Listen more than you speak. Listening is one of the most important skills for learning a language. If you listen to English daily, your brain will get used to the sounds, words, and sentence structures. How to improve your listening skills? Watch English movies and TV shows. Choose movies with subtitles at first, then try watching without them. Listen to English music and podcasts. Songs and podcasts help you understand real spoken English. Pay attention to pronunciation and intonation. Notice how native speakers stress certain words and use different tones. Step 3. Learn and use common phrases. Instead of learning individual words, learn full sentences and phrases. This helps you speak more naturally. Examples of common phrases. How are you? Instead of just learning how and you. Can you help me? Instead of just memorizing help. I would like to order for when you order food at a restaurant. By learning phrases, you don't have to think about grammar while speaking. You just use the phrase naturally. Step 4. Speak every day. Speaking is like exercising a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Ways to practice speaking. Talk to yourself. Describe your daily activities in English. Join an English speaking group. Find a language exchange partner online or in your city. Record your voice. Listen to your recordings and compare them with native speakers. Practice with chatbots. Some apps and websites let you practice English conversations with AI. Step 5. Think in English. A big reason why learners struggle to speak fluently is because they translate from their native language. To become fluent, you must train your brain to think in English. How to think in English? Start with simple words and objects around you. Try to make short sentences in your mind. Slowly increase to thinking in full conversations. For example, instead of thinking, "Mujhe pani chahiye," and then translating it to "I need water," directly think, "I need water." Step 6. Read and write in English. Reading helps you learn new words and sentence structures. Writing helps you practice forming sentences correctly. How to improve reading and writing? Read simple books, articles, or news in English. Keep a daily journal where you write about your day in English. Try to write short messages or emails in English. Step 7. Improve your pronunciation. Even if you know many words, poor pronunciation can make it hard for others to understand you. How to improve pronunciation? Listen to native speakers and repeat. Imitate their pronunciation. Use online pronunciation tools. Websites and apps can help you learn correct pronunciation. Practice speaking slowly. Speaking too fast can lead to mistakes. Step 8. Learn grammar naturally. Grammar is important, but you don't need to memorize rules all the time. Learn grammar naturally through listening and speaking. Best ways to learn grammar. Learn grammar through real examples, not just rules. Notice how native speakers form sentences. Use English grammar apps for fun learning. Step 9. Be consistent. Fluency does not come in one day. You must practice daily. How to stay consistent. Set a daily goal, e.g., I will practice English for 15 minutes every day. Keep a progress journal. Celebrate small improvements. Conclusion. The real secret to speaking fluent English is practice, confidence, and consistency. You don't need to know every word or grammar rule to speak fluently. Follow these steps. Practice every day, and soon you will see great improvements. Believe in yourself, and don't give up.